Hello everyone, and welcome to another special fall edition of Virginia Rider Magazine. What remains to be said about the Blue Ridge Parkway? Well, I've often said it's one of the greatest playgrounds a kid with a bike ever dreamed of. And if I had the means, I'd ride up and down it every day for the rest of my life. I think most riders would agree. We appreciate having you along with us on the Blue Ridge Parkway on a special fall edition of Virginia Rider Magazine. Cheers. Welcome back, everyone. Kind of jazzed about this one, Blue Ridge Parkway, which I affectionately refer to as Old Blue. We've given the traffic ahead of us about a 1-minute window, not that we're racing it. There's a view. I realize the sun angle is ahead of us, so I apologize in advance for the glare, but the views on this portion of the northern section are some of the best on the whole road. It is another beautiful fall day in October. 59 degrees. High pressure firmly in control. Wait for it. I hope the camera focuses. And bam. That is Lexington in the distance, along with Buena Vista. Which will be our exiting point on Route 60. Another bam, as Emeril Lagasse would say. Could also call this edition Chasing Fall, as the colors are right at or just past peak, so we went a little further south and east in hopes to capture some of the stunning peak colors. Boom! Nailed it. Nice job. Scratch that. I didn't realize our exit was going to be that close.
Dumbass, 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 dumbass.
So I think what we're going to do is go down the parkway a few miles, and then we'll make a U-turn, and then we'll catch some of the footage with the sun behind us. Well, that was a bit of a up. It has been a minute since I've been up here. I've been getting spoiled on the roads of Highland and Pendleton County, otherwise known as Pendleton County. So our plan was to stop the video at Route 60, and I was a little closer to that exit than I realized. So the benefit to this is we get the sun behind us now, and hopefully the camera's capturing all of the stunning colors. Didn't have anybody coming the other direction when we were headed south, other than a pickup about a minute ago, so we should have clear sailing. And bam, I hope the camera's wide enough to capture that. So it just might turn out to be a blessing in disguise. There's not a whole lot of openness in this section, if you will. It's mostly trees, but that's just as well. I think they're putting on a show. I'd like to take this time to remind everyone, if they haven't already done so, to jump on over to virginiawriter.com, sign up for your free monthly digital subscription to our magazine. It's full of news, information, events, and features, and something to look forward to every month. Rose and I will be doing another Great Places to Ride story, which we went out to the Highland Scenic Highway west of Marlinton, and we caught that at peak color, and that was quite an experience. It's an amazing road. There's a vet, there's two, and they're holding up a sedan. Go figure. It's not as busy as I thought it would be. It is a Friday. I thought there'd be a lot of travelers playing hooky or on vacation, because this place is usually slammed. The overlooks have had a few cars in them. And we're about a mile away from our exit. So I want to thank everyone for watching. We hope you are enjoying these special fall editions. I know I'm enjoying making them. It's my favorite time of year to ride. It's just, the weather's been cooperating, and it's just been a real treat. So thanks again for watching, and we appreciate having you along with us on Virginia Rider Magazine. Cheers.